Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sign up on AdCreative AI. You can check out the link in the description, and it also gives you 40% off on your yearly plans. But all you want to do once you have clicked on the link in the description, click on try for free now, okay? And this will give you a 7-day free trial, which you can cancel at any time. You just come here now and put in your full name, right? And then email and password, right? So let me go ahead and do that real quick. All right, so once you've entered the details, all you want to do is come here and click on sign up today to get 10 free downloads. So once you do this, they will redirect you to another page where you have to enter your payment details. Don't worry, you will not be charged during your 7-day free trial. And of course, you will get a trial reminder from them. Basically, they'll send you an email and it would only take 10 seconds to cancel your subscription, right? So all you need to do is enter your full cardholder name, your card number, your expiration date, CVV code, and of course, choose your country. Then just click here on start. Free trial for 7 days. Let me go ahead and do that because I can show that on video. And here we go, guys. I have my subscription for a 7-day free trial, and they have given me a professional plan. Really easy and simple.